Hi there, Stephanie with Supportedly again. Today I'm going to talk to you very quickly about why it's important to add all of your programs to the Supportedly site, as well as show you how easy it is to do that. So very quickly, entrepreneurs need a lot of help. They need help in different categories. So if you have multiple programs that are offered in different categories, it's really important to split those out so that they can find exactly what they're searching for when they need it. For example, if you're an angel fund, you would certainly create your program in money. But let's say you also offer advice and mentorship programs as part of that fund. You're going to want to create those programs as well under advice and mentoring so that entrepreneurs know when they look for advice and mentoring, they can see that you offer those programs. And then maybe that leads them into understanding more about what you offer as far as funding. It's really important that you show up in multiple categories if you do have programs that are under different categories. So that's a great reason to go ahead and set up multiple programs today. And let's take a look really quickly at how easy it is to do that. Right now we're on our homepage and I have gone ahead and logged in to save us just a second. And you're going to go up to your dashboard, click dashboard. Here we are on the dashboard, and you see here is our provider information up here, and here are your support programs. So your support programs, it's as easy to add an additional program as clicking add new support program. That's going to pop up all of the original form fields you filled out for your first program, and then you can complete that additional program and add the primary focus. And if there's a secondary focus, go ahead and add that as well. And then at the bottom of the screen, go ahead and hit save. So we encourage you to add as many programs to the site as you have to offer entrepreneurs so that they're able to find all of the help that you provide them. That's all for now. I'll talk to you next time.